So in this video, we're going to show how we're going to publish a Screencast-O-Matic video. So this is the video we just recorded in Screencast-O-Matic. So it was a video within a video. Notice that on the right-hand side, you see various options for publishing. So I'm going to select YouTube as an option. When I do that, it wants to give it a title. Notice the red dot up here, which means the star means that you need to enter something there. And this is Screencast-O-Matic. Description, tags, you don't need to put anything in tags. Educational is fine. Make the video public. You can use unlisted, but you can only use unlisted if you have a paid version of Screencast-O-Matic. It's very cheap, it's $15 a year to get the paid version, so I suggest you do that, but public is okay for now. The quality is normal, but you can use higher. The reason I'm not choosing higher is because it takes a much longer time to upload the video if you choose a higher resolution. You can leave this the way it is. Now these options are important. Show the mouse cursor. Some people don't like to show the mouse cursor. Show the halo around the mouse cursor. And the halo you saw in the previous video showed the halo. Remove the audio, and we don't want to do that. And remove the webcam, which if I had it in there, you could remove it from this step. So any of these things can be selected. And I want to show the mouse cursor because I want to point to things, but some people don't need that. And finally, this is my account. I would have to log in if I were not logged in and upload to YouTube. Doing that then brings this up, encoding. You can see how the percentage is increasing now. So the longer the video, the longer the encoding will take. That didn't take very long. And that video is maybe a couple of minutes long. Here is the URL for the video. So if I click on this URL, that should take me to YouTube. And here it is in YouTube. Now, with the video on YouTube, I am able to use a URL to find a video. I'm able to embed the video on a haiku page. And it's a repository for the video. And it's being processed by the encoding was being done by Snagit to upload the video to YouTube. Then the upload process took place, but now YouTube is additionally processing the video for use on the YouTube site. So this takes a little time. I'm going to press F5 to and notice you get down here the so now you can see we're going to play this a little bit more. When I press draw, this shows up. That screen that popped up there does not. Then you have tools here, which you can use these shortcut keys. You're not able to see the last few of these, but you can see that it goes up to 6, and I'll demonstrate all 6 of these. And so if then I go and I press number 1 on the keyboard. Okay, so that was the first video that we uploaded. And now I'm going to stop this second video, which shows how to upload something to YouTube.